The dogs are being handled outside, so if you hear any noise, please just forgive that. I can't tell them to shut up. So I was thinking about how in every choice you make in life, there's like two sides of it. There's that side that you want to choose because it's so familiar, because it's what you know, because you've been told that's what you should do, that's what you should follow. But then there's this other side that if you make that choice, there's like open possibilities, infinite possibilities to make mistakes, infinite possibilities to make other choices on other choices on other choices that probably lead you to somewhere where you made each decision not from what you know but from your intuition, like following something you want and not because people told you that this other side is good and safe and okay and that is where you should go. So we are here. So this is sweet potatoes and eggs, and this is chapati.
Yes. Like you have to put yourself through it and see whether you can be tempted. But if you pass the test, like, you know, affiliate your market, it will cause the back.
We're going up there. So we're going through the bushes to up. This is where we are. That's home. I always love the view of Lake Nakuru, hands down. Lake Nakuru and that mountain there. Is it a hill or a mountain? I've danced, it feels so good. So my sisters are about to go to school, so I have to bid them goodbye. I just have to. So I'll go home right now. Staka sana plus simu iko karibu kuzima. Yeah, but that was fun. So what else? Hey, it's been a while since I thanked you guys and everyone who has subscribed. Hey, thank you. It may not seem like much, but to me it's so much because it's a lot of growth. Yeah, and I really appreciate it for real. So it's a beautiful morning in Nakuru. The sun came out today. Some days in Akatanga because I don't know, it's a cold season. Let's have a sip of that and get back to some dancing. Breakfast. Ooh. This is me. No, I think you judged that up. Ay, ay, ay. Sawa. Ay. Ima. Bye. Their mom. Just look at their mom. She's not aging. Sylvia. Sylvia. Pretty girl with the dimples. this kienyeji looks inside. It's delicious, bro. This is what's up. The kienyeji eggs, sweet potatoes, and lemon tea, sugarless lemon tea. I think every time I do it, I get better at it because look at that texture. Oh, just look at that. So remember when I said I was getting better? This is cooking tallow. This is not tallow cream for the skin. So that means that this is easier to handle, easier to use. You just scoop it and place it on the fire. I'll show you guys how it works. So good on the fire when it's whisked up.
Better at speaking to them.
Nimekatakata in small pieces ndio hivi haraka, but then hata nime notice hizi ndizi zilikuwa almost kuiva, so this will be really quick and sweet. Yeah. So I'm just going to do it the Kisii way. You just drop everything inside and then you let it cook. All we have to do is go koroga after a few minutes. It comes out very sweet, by the way. Very, very sweet. So that's one onion. And one onion, one tomato. Just place them inside there. Some salt, some water. You can tell these are real kienyeji eggs. I finally found a local sauce, and it's like a really good egg. They're so sweet. So I'm not sure what I should do with the eggs. So you just bear with me because I really just be doing stuff and I like them. So let me just do what I'll do. I'm not very sure what I'll do, but let's just do it. This is really just me cooking with what's available. And yeah, something even you can get easily. That food smells so good. So I'm just going to add this stickers for the cooking fat, but I wanted to show you how the cooking fat works. We blended it this time. We whisked it, yes, we whisked it this time. Look at how easy it is to get it out. Unlike the other way, ilikuwa ngumu, you had to like to dig in to get a piece out. So this one itatoka vizuri, you see. So to the ndizi, let's add the last ingredients. Dania. For the drink, I'm doing pure coffee. It's not instant coffee, this is pure ground coffee. So I actually like the taste of this. So we're just gonna add that to the boiling water and some lemon. Some lemon. Smells amazing. The eggs look so good. Can't even you can't even think I didn't want them like that. I wanted it to be flat, but imeshikilia nini pan, so it's alright. You know it's gonna be crunchy as fuck. My coffee, lemon coffee, sugarless.